What if AI video creation stopped feeling random? What if instead of typing prompts, hitting generate, and hoping for good results, you could actually direct AI videos like a filmmaker? What if you could build cinematic ads, short films, storytelling videos, and social media content without messy timelines, endless regenerations, or switching between multiple tools? That's exactly what CapCut is trying to solve with Director Mode. And today, we're testing whether CapCut Director Mode actually gives creators something most AI tools still don't: real creative control. Let's see what it can do. Opening Director Mode. First, open CapCut Video Studio. Inside the workspace, select Director Mode. And immediately, this feels different. Director Mode works differently. Instead of one-click generation, CapCut gives you a visual directing canvas. Think of it like building a film scene by scene. You can create storyboards, build environments, generate cinematic videos, organize scenes visually, adjust specific shots, re-roll only what needs fixing, continue stories naturally, keep everything connected, and that changes everything. Because here, AI creates, you direct. Now let's test storytelling. After entering your prompt, CapCut AI will begin generating the project. First, it creates a complete video plan and automatically generates the character and environment assets based on your idea. One of the most useful features here is Tap to Create, which gives you full control over the generated content. By clicking this option, you can open the AI workspace and easily modify almost every part of the project, including the script, characters, environments, and visual elements. The generation process may take a few moments. Once the processing is complete, CapCut will present two options. You can either proceed to the next step or further edit the generated plan. For now, I'll click Proceed, but later I'll also show you how the editing feature works. After clicking Proceed, CapCut will begin generating the character and environment images based on the video plan. Once this stage is completed, it will ask you to generate the assets. Simply click Start Generation, and the process will begin automatically. If you're not satisfied with the generated character or environment, you can easily modify the plan before continuing. CapCut allows you to edit specific elements or even reset the entire project if needed. To make changes, click the Modify button. This will open several suggested editing options. For example, I can add a post-apocalyptic dog companion to the Explorer, adjust the amount of fog in the scene, or change the overall video duration. You can also type your own custom instructions if you want more specific modifications. Then I'll click Start Generation again, and the system will begin creating the storyboard. Once the storyboard is ready, simply click Generate to start the final video production process. After a short wait, the video will be fully rendered and ready to watch. If you are not satisfied with a certain scene, CapCut also allows you to re-roll. You can regenerate any scene by using re-roll option. Here you can see the before and after comparison. One of AI video's biggest problems is consistency. Characters randomly change, clothing changes, faces shift, visual style breaks. Director Mode helps solve this by keeping reusable assets connected across scenes. That means your projects feel far more professional and believable, especially for long-form storytelling. I get why CapCut built this differently. The biggest upgrade isn't AI generation itself, it's control. You can build visually, adjust specific shots, continue stories naturally, organize creative assets, keep everything connected, maintain consistency, direct the entire creative process. Whether you're creating product ads, AI short films, marketing campaigns, educational content, storytelling videos, social media projects, Director Mode makes AI creation feel far more controllable. And that's exactly what AI video tools have been missing. CTA, tap the link in my bio to try CapCut Director Mode for yourself. Test your own ideas, build your own stories, and let me know in the comments, what would you create first?